Welcome. In this video, we'll go over how to send a photo without sound on your Telegram channel. This updated guide will show you the simple step-by-step process so your post goes out quietly without sending any notifications to your subscribers. First, open your Telegram app. Once you're in, go straight to your channel where you want to share the photo. You can do this by selecting it from your chat list or using the search bar at the top of your screen. Now, it's time to add your photo. You can either take a new one using your camera or choose a photo you've already saved on your device. After you've selected or captured your image, you'll see it appear in the message box ready to be sent. Here's the important part. Instead of tapping the send button once, press and hold it for a moment. When you do, a small menu will pop up with a few sending options. From those choices, tap on Send Without Sound. By doing this, your photo will be delivered to your channel silently. None of your subscribers will receive a notification, but the image will still appear instantly in the chat feed. It's perfect when you want to share updates, images, or promotional content without disturbing anyone's alerts. This feature is especially useful for channels with large audiences, where timing matters and you want to keep communication smooth. Sending without sound keeps your content visible without causing unnecessary interruptions. Once the photo is sent, you'll see it posted as normal in your channel feed. You can also confirm that it was sent quietly because there won't be any sound indicator next to it. And that's it. You've successfully sent a photo without sound on Telegram. You can repeat these steps anytime for future posts to maintain a calm and thoughtful channel experience. If you found this guide useful, consider checking out more Telegram tips and updates to make your channel management even easier and more efficient.